Welcome to Kolwezi, the economic heart of Lualaba province, where the 6th edition of the Katanga Business Meeting, KBM, will take place from May 14th to 16th, 2025, at the Provincial Assembly of Lualaba. Expatman, your trusted partner in immigration services, will be present at stand G6. Specializing in assisting international companies and expatriates, we work in close collaboration with the General Directorate of Migration, DGM, to ensure that all procedures are compliant and efficient without ever substituting the essential functions of the DGM. Our services include obtaining visas and work permits, assisting foreign companies with administrative formalities, rigorous follow-up to ensure document compliance. The KBM is the perfect opportunity to meet key players in the DRC's economic development. Don't miss this chance for networking and discovery. Join us and discover how Expatman can facilitate your immigration procedures in full compliance. Expatman, simplifying immigration for a borderless future.